Waking up in a home you don't love every morning can be as frustrating as repeating Groundhog Day. So wake up every morning in a house you do love, like the one behind me. I'm here at 7113 Crystal Falls in Plano, Texas to meet my lovely colleague Rosa Collins and take a tour of this beautiful home. Let's go take a look. Wow, this place is beautiful. Rosa!
Hey Will, how are you?
I am doing great. I am so excited to see you and show everybody this incredible home.
Thanks for coming by and taking a tour. Let's go inside.
Let's go.
Will, let me tell you a little bit about this house. It has over 5,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. And it has the extra bedroom down, which is very unique to have an extra bedroom and a study.
Rosa, that's great. But what I love is when I walked in here, I hear surround sound and I hear music. What's going on?
This house has surround sound inside and out, and it is controlled with your cell phone.
Can you believe that? I love it. Not only is this a great home, but it's got killer technology features. Follow me up the stairs and you are greeted to the second floor with an incredible meeting room, game room, 3 more bedrooms with their own full baths. The master bedroom is spacious and inviting, plus it's on the opposite side of your guest bedroom, which means you can sleep while your guests make all the noise they want. Yes! Yes! Is Tom Brady not the greatest of all time, or what? The study is formal and intelligent. Walk from the formal dining room into your kitchen where it's open and spacious for all your friends and family to come inside and hang out and enjoy a home-cooked meal. The kitchen is awesome. I can keep an eye on my kids while I'm making a meal. Plus, you've got so many updates, including the fixtures, the gas range, wine fridge, granite countertops, and the updated stainless steel appliances. And you can't beat this 2-story formal living room with fireplace and incredible views of your waterfall, outdoor living space, and the beautiful trees and creek. There's just nothing quite like it. I think it's time to go take a look at the pool and really explore this outdoor living space. Wow, this is incredible, Rosa!
It is. It is very rare. So Will, as you will notice, they extended the overhang of the patio all the way across the house so that you have this very large sitting area.
This is great. Oh, and what do we have over here?
Well, you have an outdoor kitchen with a grill, granite, and a wine fridge.
So I could totally get used to this.
Yes, you could.
Nice. And wow, this has got to be my favorite part.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the size of the covered area you have over on this side of the outdoor living space. You've got the, I don't know what you call that, semi-vaulted wooden ceilings with a stone fireplace. I mean, this is incredible, Rosa.
Will, the homeowners put a lot of thought to this outdoor living area. You have surround sound, you have lighting, you have plenty of electrical outlets if you need ambiance lighting, and this is a gas stone fireplace.
And you've got another fireplace over here. You've got the fire pit with all of the seating space, and I love how you got the rocking chairs right here. And you just got this incredible view of nature, the stream, the wildlife. I think I see a herring over there.
I think you're right. I love this fire pit area. I can see myself here in the mornings, having coffee, listening to the birds sing, or sitting out here at night with having a glass of wine and looking at the stars.
No kidding. This truly is an incredible outdoor living space. And you're right. You don't find many properties like this in this area.
You do not.
This part of West Plano features extensive jogging trails and green space, which I know you're going to love. You've got the biggest furniture store in Texas, Nebraska Furniture Mart, Texas. That should do the trick. You've got arguably the largest sports and outdoor store in Texas. That's weird.
My ability to throw bait.
And after you're done shopping, head on over to the truck yard where you can have a cold one and throw an axe. First take. If you want more information on this luxury listing or any of our properties, you can check them all out at janritchie.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a new video like this one featuring an incredible real estate tour every Monday at 11 a.m. Central. And please, follow and like us on social media. I'm Will Koberg, and we'll see you on the next home tour. And don't forget, wake up every morning in a home that you're gonna love, like this one.